Hi, my name's Jenny and I'm doing a review on the Mina Baie Mini Kinney in dark tan. I love using pretty much every day. It's definitely a mini bag. I'm not packing much for my girls, but I do like to carry some stuff for them. So Mina Baie is an Los Angeles based company, so luckily I get shipping pretty fast. This one retails for about $2.89 and it's top green leather and it's about 12 by 10 by 6.5. So as you can see, there's exterior pockets at the front, the two sides right here, and the back also has a side pocket. And with a lot of the Mina Baie bags, you can actually attach this to your luggage as well, but I normally just use it as an extra pocket. As you can see, there's gold hardware that's really beautiful. Obviously this is adjustable, as well as the bottom part right here. And they also come with the backpack straps, a shoulder strap, and a crossbody strap that I don't have at the moment, just because I don't really crossbody, so it's just sitting in my closet. And then the flap has the magnets, which I think stick very well. And then with the updated versions, they did end up doing the double zippers, which I love, just because, you know, depending on which shoulder you're carrying, like it depends on which way the zipper is gonna go. And then like the flap, the sides do have magnets as well, which helps with, you know, keeping the bag I guess structured, you can say. Now, Mina Baie is one of my favorites, just because, I mean, just the aesthetic of it. It doesn't look like a diaper bag. And then so in the interior, I actually have it packed, but there is two front pockets, two elastic pockets as well, and then there's also a back big elastic pocket and a laptop pocket. So let me show you how I have this packed up. So in my front pocket, I have my hand sanitizer, which I don't currently have because I probably switched out my bags, and then my lip balm. Normally this is where like all my receipts go, like all the loose things. And on the side pockets, I don't have anything, but this would be where like my tissues would go. Maybe my kids' water bottles, but I like using the water bottles on the interior as well. On the inside, so I have it packed up. So if you've seen my videos before, I like to pouch pack a lot. With Mina Baie, you might want to just not pouch pack, just because there's a lot of pockets and it adds weight to it. But since I'm not packing much these days, this is just how I have it packed up so far. So my water bottle, this is the Owala. I think it's the 20 ounces, so it fits perfectly in one of the elastic pockets. This has my Nintendo Switch Lite, and then my planner. The front pocket has my Be Organized jujube with my makeup in it. And then my front pocket right here, I don't have anything in it, but this is where my phone would go. This one's empty as well. My iPods went in that one. And then on the side, I just have like random snacks for the girls and I. And a small packet of crackers. And then in the big pocket, I do have a Wipe Pouch Mini with my sanitizing wipes. And then a custom jujube case as my mesh pouch. And in the back pocket, I do have a plate pack. Sometimes if I do need to pack you know, a pair of clothes for my kids, I'll either put it in a big pouch and put it all the way on the bottom right here, or it would fit in like a jujube Be Quick back here. Like I said, Mina Baie is made of top green leather. So this is a luxury diaper brand, obviously, because it's, you know, higher priced. So this one is a dark tan, it has a gold hardware, and it comes with the backpack straps that are already attached, the shoulder straps, and there's also a crossbody strap. So with Mina Baie, since it's top green leather, it tends to wear, I guess, mostly at the corners, but unless you like take care of it, you condition it, you know, you kind of baby your bags, it can last pretty long and look pretty new. some things like the coating on the edges sometimes wear and it peels off, but I haven't had issues with this one. But again, I have so many bags that I switch out a lot. Another thing is the lining is obviously, as you saw, it was light and it is waterproof. I think I've had melted chocolate on one before and I just wiped it off and it looked like nothing was there. So plus obviously for that, especially if you have kids who like to snack. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.